Hello friends, this is another video of iOS 8 and iPhone 4S. This video is all about the features that you get in iPhone 4S, especially for the iPhone 4S. So let's get started with it. So this is the home screen, which I have already mentioned in my last video. Just check out that one. We'll get started with the features here. So first and foremost, I'll start with the iMessage messaging features, which includes now voice recording feature. Yes, you can see here, you just need to tap a hold and your recording will start. You can just cancel it or just send it, whatever you want to do. You can handle it this way. This is kind of cool, so I'm gonna cancel it. And the second thing is, what you get is a suggestion over here, which you can minimize it. That's another good thing that I have found here. Yes, you can minimize it and you can again make it visible. So this is kind of cool. Alright, so next is what I found is manageable mails. If you open mails, you can manage it very easily now. Just swiping from left to right, it gets more, flag, trash, etc. And if you swipe from left to right, you get a mark over here marked as unread, and if you again swipe it, it is marked as unread. And if you want to mark as read, then you can again do it. So this is kind of cool. Alright, so next is what I found very good is the recents. Yes, it is mentioned over there. This is the open applications which are already running behind, and as you can see, there is no lag, and the recents are here. So if these are the contacts you have contacted recently, and you can manage. You can click here and you can directly make a call or send an SMS, whatever you want to do with it. So this is kind of cool. Rest is just the same. Alright, next is another in the iMessages, that is, you can now check the message when the message was sent. Just swiping it from right to left, you can see the date and the time when it was sent. Sorry about the camera quality, but the feature is quite good. The another thing which is very much common and which is the most awaited thing by Apple, that is the self timer. Yes, Apple has now got the timer, which you can access it just right here. It will ask you for, just click on it, it will ask you for 3 seconds of 10 seconds. Select 3, take a picture, 1, 2, 3, and the picture is clicked. So this is a cool feature. And another thing, just read it. It's time lapse. Time lapse video is something that you take a video and it just fast forwards it, and it's kind of cool. So this is another thing. And as we move on the next feature, that is revamped App Store. Yes, App Store is not that much revamped, but few features are there. For example, it's loading. Example, very much awaited SwiftKey keyboard utility, which is now available through iOS 8. Yes, Apple now supports third-party keyboards, and you can download it through the App Store. What is changed here is the search column. Yes, it already provides you with some suggestions, and if you search over here, for example, I search for iMovie. Yes, alright. So in the previous iOS 7, we have to swipe it from right to left for the next, but in this it has got a little changed, and you gotta roll it down to see the next tab. This is not that much important, but it's changed. Right. And the next feature here is the Sajam that is integrated in Siri. You just need to ask, what song is it?
Listening. I know the song. It's him. He's a DJ by Pasha.
Yes, I guess it's the right song. So this is very cool feature which is integrated with Sajam, and as you have seen, after this assistive touch, and it is now revamped. It was previously just loaded with the Siri, favorites, device and the home button, but now it includes control center, notification center also. So next feature here is they have provided you with iBooks, which is collection of various books. You can search from here. It has got plenty of books. You can search from here. It is my books, then featured, then top chart, search, purchases. So, and many of the books are free. I have searched through this and I have gone through this application. Many of the books are free and the rest are a little cheap. So you can go through this app as well. It has got thousands of books, and it is preloaded with the iOS 8. So it is kind of cool.